Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix GCash app decline your payment. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the GCash app decline your payment. First, check if your GCash card is locked. Head to the card section in your GCash app, and if it's locked, tap on Lock Card, then try your payment again. Next, make sure you have enough funds in your wallet, even down to the last cent, since small differences or extra fees can cause a decline. Also, check your transaction limits, like your daily or monthly send and receive caps, especially if your account is not fully verified. If you've hit the limit, you'll have to wait until it resets. Another common issue is your internet connection or outdated app version. Make sure you have a stable network and that your GCash app is updated to the latest version. You can even try switching networks or restarting the app before trying the payment. In most cases, once you've confirmed your funds, limits, and connection, the issue will resolve itself. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.